when you have feelings of disgust, revulsion, cringy, resistance, repelling, like when you notice these things coming inside of you, they're arising, the very first thing to do is take your time and go inward. The very first thing to do is to turn our attention inward and to find out what is coming up for us here. So we want to lean into the feelings. What domination culture will teach you to do is to interpret those feelings as a position and a threat, and that there is a danger and that you have to fix it out there. That's the first trap. Believing that the fix is going to be out there. It may be in the long run also outside of us, but in the short run, it's far wiser to settle in and find out what is coming up in me. So I feel into whatever it is that my system is providing me. And then we want to remember that we are socialized mammals and that we've absorbed a set of beliefs, a bunch of thought viruses, a bunch of thought forms that we are embedded in violent and inequitable cultures in many parts of the world, and that all of these things intersect. And so we want to really take our time to slow down and self-connect before we move up into our mind to try and solve a problem, because we don't really know what the problem is until we're connected to the deep need that is coming up inside of us.